everybody, welcome back to Waffles RC. In today's video, we're going to be going over the footage that I took up at RC Fest. As you'll see in the video, had a lot of fun, and the goal was to not break the semi. So keep that in mind when you look over some of the footage. Two things to announce before we get just straight into it. Firstly, the reason why I didn't want to break the semi is because April 23rd to the 26th, it is going to the Tow Truck Expo down in Las Vegas. It would probably help to mention here that the RC will be at the Zaclift booth at the expo. So if you're in the expo, come on down and have a look around. So if there's anybody on here that watches this channel and knows some good crawling spots in the Vegas area, I was hoping to try and do something on Friday the 25th because I understand, people have jobs. So maybe sometime in the evening on the 25th. So if anybody is down there, I'm going to be in the Angel Park area, if that even makes sense. I don't know Las Vegas very well. So if anybody's in that area, wants to go crawling, I'd love an invite. Check out some of the local spots if you guys got some. Second thing, with this video, I want you to pay attention to the yellow truck that is featured quite a lot in here. Has nothing to do with my jealousy of it. But in all honesty, the guy who built it did an incredible job. I am jealous. His is so much more detailed. It's bigger. That upsets me. But the detail in it that he did is absolutely incredible. So throughout the video, just pause it and take a look at it. The thing's absolutely incredible. So on that note, with all that out of the way, hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's right, just that part out. Or jet, and they don't really care what they're doing.
So the plane itself is a replica of a home-built plane called the Viper jet. So
System on my truck, that's for sure.
Oh, I got one more coming. Oh, wow.
Oh, this guy. This guy. Where are you going? Huh? Where's your trailer?
I'm the capper.
There we go.
I got my ducks in a row, boy.
She's got her ducks in a row.
No.
Sorry. I like it better when you run on.
This guy right here. Showing me up. Every time. Every time. Well, I have to beat you in something, okay? And I gotta get it on camera.
You got the rope.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, apparently that's all I got. Or it just died.
So this is a level flying space.
Hello everybody from after RC Fest, or at the end of the day at least. Hope you all enjoyed all that footage. I had a great time, met a lot of great people, handed out stickers. It was a really fun time, as you saw from all of that footage. Once again, on this channel, we're going to go with honesty. Let's go through what's broken. Okay, starting with RCPD, broke a front axle shaft, is only two-wheel drive now. Semi did a great job, even though you saw it being towed, still did really good. Transmission output shaft and input shaft to the front transfer case completely snapped off. Bronco, steering fell off. Mercedes is good. Mud truck, broke another drive shaft. I really need to move the transmission because it's not in line where it goes down to the transfer case, so that needs to be fixed and remedied to keep it from continually breaking that drive shaft. I have corrected that mistake with that truck, so that transmission is going to be in line with it perfectly, and that one is not broken either. And yes, it's not lost on me that it doesn't drive. I just thought it would be funny to say it. Continuing on, perfectly fine, didn't even get to drive it. That one of the upper links for the rear axle fell off, but still perfectly fine. The real hero of this story today is the hauler. That thing just did what it's supposed to do. After a year of sitting, it did absolutely perfectly. And Troy, your tire inserts worked perfectly on the semi and on the hauler, so thank you so much. Last on the list, 4Runner, perfectly fine, didn't drive it. RTR, fine, didn't drive it. Fine, didn't drive it. Fine, didn't drive it. Bulletproof like always. And to finish everything off, both trailers, perfectly fine. Didn't have a single issue with either one of them. So thank you again to Fast Track Hobbies for putting on such a really fun event, and thank you for everybody who showed up. And the X-Max is still in the van.